What's up, my naughty little pets? DMG Reactor here, and this video is going to be a suggested video from YouTube. That's right. I'm taking YouTube's suggestion because I've been watching some other videos. I found this in my suggestion side a while back. Never listened to it. Then I'm like, you know what? I've never heard this. I don't know if anybody else has heard this. It is on Vivo, and it's gotten a lot of views, like 752,000. But not everybody's heard this damn band and song. This is from a band called Wolfheart. The song is The Flood. Fuck, I don't even know what to expect. The singer looks, I don't know, for some reason the thumbnail just reminded me of Carrie King from Slayer. So we're going to have to listen to this, check it out. Hopefully it's really good. If not, it's all your fucking fault. I'm just kidding. I love you. You're my naughty pet. Here we go. Drummer looks bored. I think I picked a really slow song. I'm sorry, guys. Why does this remind me of something else? As a drummer, I really like the sound of his kit. I can listen to that drum kit all day. I bet that shit's fun to play too. That singer looks like somebody I would not want to fuck with. He's got to be pretty intense. See, all you need is a DSLR and a drone, and you can make an awesome music video. What the fuck is this? Cut off his own thing. You need to put a hat on, you're gonna get sick. Tells his mother. Cool song. It was okay. I guess I picked their ballad. Who fucking knew? I do need to check out some of the other songs because I'm sure not all their stuff is that slow. I'm betting they're pretty heavy. I don't know. If you guys like that one, just let me know in the comment section. And if you have any particular songs that you think I should do, if you know that band, let me know. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications. I appreciate you guys checking out the videos here. And I'm recording a bunch of them just so I can steadily put these out there because I'm doing a fundraiser this weekend. So